This 2007 Toyota Sequoia SUV is located in Clearwater and has 62,138 miles on it. This SUV has a beautiful desert sand mica exterior paint color which is complemented by a taupe interior color. This vehicle features automatic transmission, power sunroof, third-row seating, air conditioning, vanity mirrors, and many other features. For more information on this great SUV, please click the link to the right.